This is test ID 15, component ID 80. It's catalyst efficiency testing using activity measurements during special fuel control operation that goes slightly richer than and leaner than normal. You're frequently going to see in this study of Chrysler Mode 6 that we continuously tie fuel control to after-catalyst testing. Now, the component ID 80 indicates we have a minimum limit. The PCM monitors oxygen sensor voltage for fuel control and catalyst monitor sensor. At the same time when it does this test, the PCM goes into specialized fuel control to cause changes in the after-cat O2 signal and measures the response. Now here is a typical thing. On 15 here, we had no measurement, no detected counts. It was a failure. We expected a minimum, and we were below our minimum. We failed when we were below the minimum. Now we cannot exactly duplicate this, but what we can do is we can use a snap accelerate test to create activity. The red trace here is the after-cat O2. As you can see, we're causing changes in the pre-cat and then watching the responses in the after-cat. And we'll go through and show you some of the stuff we look for on lab scopes. So next we need to go and study a DSO to know the cause of these counts and what's causing the change. We're going to let this trace run for a moment. You notice we don't have a lot of activity. Let's identify our two traces. We're looking at the red trace, which is the after-cat O2 signal. It doesn't move around very much, so we're going to have to do some specialized things. Right here we just did a snap accelerate. You see the green and the red trace both go up. In this particular case, we're interested in the red trace. The red trace is our snap test for the after-catalyst O2 sensor. Now once we get through the snap accelerate, we're going to watch how long it takes it to return to normal operation. And we'll turn it loose again, let it run. Now as you notice, once we've turned this loose and we'll let it start running, the red trace stays pretty high. How long does the cat store O2 before going back to normal? This is a test of its activity. Notice it's dropping back down, coming down, and it's pretty much dropped back into its normal range like we saw at the start. These are some of the ways we judge catalyst activity. Remember, this is used to verify information you have in Mode 6. If it immediately returns to normal, it's not doing a good job.